Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my sugar cookie recipe with you. I found this recipe online years ago and I've been using it ever since. You can easily double it if you're needing a larger batch of dough, which is what I normally do. These cookies bake up perfectly, they don't spread, and they taste amazing. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you're the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. To make this recipe, you're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup unsalted butter, 1 egg, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Start by combining your flour with your baking powder and salt and set aside. Next, mix your butter and sugar together until smooth. Then add your egg and vanilla. Next, add your flour mixture and mix on low until combined. I usually do half at a time so I don't make a big mess. Your dough may seem crumbly at first, but keep mixing and it'll start to come together. You'll know it's ready when it starts to pull away from the bowl. Now you're ready to roll out your cookies. I love the rolling pin I use because it has guides to ensure the cookies are rolled out evenly and all at the same thickness. I'll link it below in case you want to check it out. Once your cookies are cut, they'll bake at 350 degrees for anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes depending on your oven. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be sharing my royal icing recipe soon, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below and I'll be sure and get back with you. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, I'd love it if you'd come say hi on social media. You can find my links in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.